Good morning. Today video topic is spring. Today date is 15 June, July. 15 July. Spring is a lightweight framework. It can be thought of as a framework of a framework because it provides support to various framework such as struts, Hibernate, Tapestry, EJB, JSF, etc. The framework in broader sense can be defined as a structure where we find solution of the various technical problems. The Spring framework comprises several modules such as inversion of controls, AUP, DIO, context, ORM, web MVC, etc. We, in Spring, we can say that the inversion of control and dependency injections. It's included inversion of control and dependencies in injections. These are the design pattern that are used to remove dependency from the programming code. They make the code easier to test and maintain. Inversion of control and dependency index to design and make code to easier and test to maintain. Thus, the inversion of control makes the code loosely coupled. In such case, there is no need to modify the code if our logic is moved to new environment. In a Spring framework, IOC inversion of control container is responsible to inject the dependency. We provide metadata to the inversion of control container either by XML file or annotations. Some advantages of inversion of control or Spring. First of all, the makes the code loosely coupled, so easy to maintain, and the second one is makes the code easy to test. Yeah, there are many advantages of Spring framework. First of all, is predefined templates. Spring framework provides templates for JDBC, Hibernate, Java programming applications, etc. technologies. So there is no need to write too much code. It hides the basic steps of these technologies. We can say that the JDBC template, we don't need to write the code of exception handling, creating connections, creating statements, committing transactions, closing connections, etc. You need to write the code executing query only. We can say that it saves a lot of JDBC code. The second one advantages of Spring framework is loose coupling, and the third loose coupling. The Spring application are loosely coupled because of dependency injections. The third one is too easy to test. The dependency injection makes easier to test the application. The EJB or struts application requires server to run the application, but Spring framework does not require server. Fourth one advantage is lightweight. Spring framework is lightweight because of its POSO implementation. The Spring framework does not force the programmer to inherit any classes or implement any interfaces. That is why it is set to non-invasive. Fifth one is fast development. Spring framework is fast development. The dependency injection features of Spring framework and it supports to various frameworks makes the easy development of Java enterprise applications. Sixth advantages: powerful abstraction. It provides powerful abstraction to Java enterprises specifications such as JMS, JDBC, JPA, and JTA. The last one is advantage is declarative support. It provides declarative support for coaching, validations, transaction, and formatting. The Spring modules. The Spring frameworks comprises of many modules such as core, beans, context, compression languages, AUP aspects, instrumentation, JDBC, ORM, OXM, transaction, web servlet, struts, etc. These modules are grouped into test, core, container, aspects, instrumentation, data access, integration, all of contain included in Spring modules. This layer provides supports of testing with JUnit and testing. Spring Core container. The Spring Core container contains core beans, context or expression language. The core and beans, these modules provides inversion of control and dependency injection features. Context, this module supports internalizations. Expression language, it is an extension to the EL defined in JSP. It provides support to setting and getting property values. Method invocation, assessing collections and indexes named variables logically and arithmetic operators. Retrieval of objects by name, etc. Aspects and instrumentation, this module supports aspects oriented programming implementations where you can use advice, point cuts, etc. To decouple the code. The aspects module provides support to integration with aspects. Data access or integrations, this group comprises of JDBC, ORM, JMS and transaction modules. These modules basically provide support to interact with the database. Web, this group comprises the web servlet, web struts, web portalet. These modules provide support to create a web application. Yeah, that's all about the Spring.